So fundamental insurance, quiz chapter 1 and 2, part B, question number 13. The presence of insurance interest, insurance interest is required before an insured is entitled to indemnity. Indemnity means compensation. All of the following are deemed to have an insurable interest in a contract of insurance, except one. So pick the exception. So number one, the insured's father who provided a large sum of money as a business loan. So hired a business loan and hired mortgagee. Mortgagee means policy as a mortgage. Whose name is shown on the policy as a mortgagee. Basically, he can suffer a loss. He has lent the money. He can suffer a loss. So there is an insurable interest. So that's true. The insured son who will one day inherit the entire estate. So basically this is a false. There is no insurable interest. Inheritance. So the insured doesn't know. Do you understand, right? So circle the word inherit. Inherit means wirasat. Okay, so there is no insurable interest. The insured's business partner. So business partner can suffer a loss. So there is an insurable interest. So I'll business partner. The insured's break and mend. Break and Mend Limited, a local TV and appliance repair shop. So appliance repair shop, basically somebody may leave something to repair it. If something goes wrong, so then he's liable. So it's insurable interest. So which one is only B. So we go to the question number 14. When any of the elements that make a contract legally enforceable has been violated or is absent, so either legally enforceable, either violated, the contract is considered void or voidable. Which of the following circumstances does not support? How it does not? Basically, any time you don't follow the contract, there is something wrong, so they can void it. So which of the following doesn't support? Number one was department store who has provided a minor with a credit card. Minor means underage, it's under 19, right? So they can't have a credit card. Is suing to collect outstanding balance. So it can be void, right? So it's true. An insurer has the right to void an insurance contract when it can prove fraud. If it's fraud, they can void it. True. When an insurance contract is void, the insurer has the right to retain the premium insurer has paid at the inception of the policy. Inception means beginning. So if insurance makes your contract void, so they have to return the payments. They are not paying the claim, right? The 17-year-old purchased a car and returned it 2 weeks later and requests the money back. So she's a minor, right? So she can't buy a car. She can only do food, lodging and clothes. So it's only C. Okay. 15. Insurance brokers are often asked to provide a binder. What is a binder? Binder is a temporary coverage, interim coverage. A. Confirmation that the broker has committed an insurance. Committed an insurer to a contract of a insurance. So he has given a commitment, right? So 16. A broker's binding authority is. What is binding means? When he give you a temporary coverage, right? As is stated means mentioned. D. Mentioned in the agency agreement between the insurance company and the broker. So is D. It can also be C, but if you change only, if you take the only off. If you write the often, OFTN, often mentioned in the insurer's rating manual. If you write there, it says only makes it wrong. So you can also find there agency agreement. Okay. So the next one is, so 16 is B. So 17. After a policy has been issued, changes can and may have to be made. So anytime you want to make a change, so what do we call it? Endorsement. So it's B. Insurance would prepare a rider. Rider means when you want to add on. So add a peril, add a cause of loss, or extra coverage is C. And then property policies are designed to insure property, that is the address stated on the policy. Businesses, especially contractors, hire contractors, move equipment to the different location where work is done. Insurers use a different form to provide coverage for this property. This form is called floater. So for movable things, for a photographer, for a builder, for a contractor, right? So they have to move the yeah. So it's called float. And the last one, 20th. A separate policy would be issued by insurance company to insure all of the following types of property except one. Take the exception. So for a different policy, special policy, so special coverage. But to add insurance on a valuable painting, a vehicle used for either personal or business use, so you need a car insurance. For a vehicle, car insurance. To insure a business boiler and machinery, you need a boiler insurance. To insure a commercial building under course of construction, you need a construction insurance. Okay? So I have construction, boiler, vehicle. The first one, to add insurance, what do you need? That was a rider, right? So it's only A. A is found.